What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Barber CVO in the building. I got another video for you today. It's the new, I just bought the new Legends revo-arc. So with the little tanks in the back, I do have the revo A's as far as right now, but there's nothing wrong with them. It's just I always really wanted the other ones with the little tanks in the back, but check it out. So here it is, guys. Getting ready to install the new Legends. All right, stay tuned for the video. Okay, so these are the current situations we have right now. These are the Legends Revo A, and these are the Legends, the 130. When you see 130 there, that means they're heavyweight. The 110 is standard. Go on the other side. So we're gonna take these out. I actually got these sold, guys, so sorry, can't ask me to sell them because they already sold them. See that? I do have a video on these on my past videos, so you can check them out for the install. All right, so we're gonna swap these out. All right, right off the bat, these are the new Legends that I bought. They're called the revo-arc. Remote reservoir. Look at these things, man. Amazing. I can't wait to put these on. I just took the other ones off. Now these are going in. Like I said, these are the Legends 130, which are the heavyweight. Alright, guys, we have recently installed the new suspensions from Legends, the revo-arc. Now they're up and going. We just gonna set it up so we can do the sag on it. And I'm definitely gonna post a video on this ride so we can adjust the rebound and all that stuff. See, the rebound right there has a little knob. And then you also got your knobs right here, so you can actually do all that stuff. All right, so there you have it. The new Legends revo-arc heavyweight 130. It actually looks pretty cool. Show it from behind, side view. Once we put the bags on, we're gonna get going on this. Stay tuned for the ride. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about these new Legends revo-arc. Make sure you comment below, give me a thumbs up, and then I'll post my next video as soon as possible. All right? Thank you, guys. Talk to you soon.